Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's topic is about this beautiful K-beauty pop look. Basically this is an anime characters look which I'm really loving it right now, and as Instagram reels are trending on it, like legit they are having all the like anime and K-pop characters. So I thought why just not create this look and give a little bit tutorial about this look. So yeah, this is the look. I would say it's so pretty, and it is all about like pink and purple, soft and very dewy matte, dewy ombre lip as well. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started today's video. I hope you will like this video, and if you like, do give thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that आपको next video की update आती रहेंगी. Till then, I'll see you in next video. Bye.